Each day, we at La Cornue set upon a journey to create a masterpiece. An icon of French cuisine and culture since 1908. For over 100 years, this has been the mission of each day and for every artisan at La Cornue. Handcrafted with pride by masters of steel, copper, and brass. Inspired by the flavors of France, each Château is an original. Individually numbered by the single La Cornue craftsman who created it. Manufactured exclusively to order, taking as long as it must to make every Château unique. Excellence achieved only when each step in the process is in pursuit of perfection. To own La Cornue is to own a piece of French culture. A time-honored culinary tradition treasured for generations the world over.